In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Microsoft Edge crashing. If Edge keeps freezing, closing without warning, or lagging, a reliable way to get it back on track is to reset its settings to a clean state. This does not delete your favorites, history, or saved passwords, but it does return key preferences to their defaults, clears temporary data like cookies, and turns off extensions that might be causing trouble. I'll guide you through it clearly so you know exactly what to expect. First, open Microsoft Edge and let it fully load. Even if it's been unstable, give it a moment. Next, look to the top right corner of the window for the three dots. This is the Settings and More menu, and it's your gateway to all of Edge's controls and preferences. Click the three dots and then click Settings. A new tab opens with the main settings dashboard. On the left-hand side, you'll see a list of sections. Find and click Reset Settings. It may be near the bottom of the list, and it's specifically designed for troubleshooting issues like persistent crashes or odd behavior. In the Reset Settings area, click Restore Settings to their default values. Edge will display a confirmation dialog that explains exactly what will change. Take a moment to read it so there are no surprises. Your startup page, new tab page, search engine, and any pinned tabs will return to default. All extensions will be disabled, and temporary site data, like cookies, will be cleared. Importantly, your favorites, browsing history, and saved passwords will remain. Because cookies are cleared, you'll likely be signed out of most sites and may need to sign back in afterward. When you're ready, click Reset. Edge will immediately apply the changes. You might notice a brief pause while it clears data and reverts preferences. Once it finishes, the browser is essentially in a fresh, stable configuration. This often resolves crashes caused by corrupted cache files, misconfigured settings, or extensions that aren't behaving well. After the reset, continue using Edge as normal. If you rely on extensions, remember they've been turned off to help stabilize the browser. You can decide later which ones to re-enable, ideally one at a time, so you maintain a smooth experience and can easily identify any that reintroduce problems. And that's it. By opening Edge, selecting the three-dot menu, going into Settings, choosing Reset Settings, picking Restore Settings to their default values, and confirming with Reset, you've given the browser a clean slate and a strong chance at stopping those crashes. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you get back to a smooth, reliable browsing experience.